Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and like I've decided to do, since a lot of people like those, this is this week's highlight of the theme that I've now installed on my PC. So the theme for today, December 10th, 2020, is a very beautiful theme that consists of rivers. So if I click to have you guys see the different pictures here, very beautiful pictures, once again from a theme in the Microsoft Store. So if you're interested in having this theme because you find it interesting, this is a theme that is available in the Microsoft Store. So you just go to your settings app, and once in the settings app you go into personalization, and here in themes on the left side, and go for more themes in the Microsoft Store. The one that I have chosen is River Roll On. So this is the one that I have right now, which has 16 premium 4K images in the slideshow. So you can actually install this and look at the different pictures. So this is what I have. So if you find that the pictures that you see in the next few days when I do videos is something you like, you simply download it and apply in the settings. Once it applies in the settings, remember that if you are in the October 2020 update and want to make sure that everything is also following the accent color, to put back the check mark, automatically pick a accent color from the background. One thing also I would like to say is that in the slideshows, most of them choose 1 minute. I find that a little fast. I usually choose like 10 minutes in my case to leave the pictures on a little longer. And look at this, very beautiful pictures once again. So check it out in the Microsoft Store. This is the theme that I'm using this week. So hope that you enjoy. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.